Yo, Damian, we need you up here. Can you come to Sanur, make a video for us? Just if you can, because in Sanur we don't have any other YouTubers who can show us our loved Sanur. There's only one old couple of bogans talking shit. We cannot watch them anymore. Seriously, somebody said like that to me. I know, Damian, is so far for you because you're living in Taban and everything, but if you could come to Sanur and make at least one video a month, we will really be happy and appreciate you. Here I am again. This is Hyatt property in Sanur, and I'm gonna make exclusive video for everybody who miss Sanur, who loves Sanur, and miss my filming here in Sanur. Here I am for you. And I'm in Hyatt Regency when I said beautiful property, beautiful hotel. If I ever not coming to Bali for few years and I would like to come for holidays, like literally for holidays, what I already forgot how it feels like to being on holidays in Bali, definitely I will consider to coming here, but I will see you on the beach now. And technically this is Sanur beach at the front of the Hyatt Regency hotel. As I said, look at these beautiful frangipani flowers here. How cool is that? Beautiful vibes of always resort vibes in Sanur. Beautiful beach, beautiful atmosphere, people hanging out on the beach as well, all by the swimming pool like this one. Kids friendly, family friendly place in general. Been here so many times. I used to live here for like 5 years, or in surrounds Sanur nearby, but been like a really longer while when I was here last time, and you can go there up to Andas. During the pandemic I used to hang out here almost every morning because that was very sad and scary times in Bali. This place was only the one thing open in Sanur where you can breathe the fresh air from the ocean, which is the this beach here. A lot of memories, but the place is also pretty beautiful, I'm gonna tell you. We got some new subscribers recently who didn't watch any of my older videos from Sanur, so just wanted to show you a little bit. That's the beach situation. A lot of boats. Sometimes in the background you can see the other islands or volcano, and the nice Balinese style of the boats as decoration here at the front of the Hyatt hotel, of course. And I think actually it's been already 3 months since I live in Chabanan, and I used to travel in Europe and in US and Canada and then Thailand, and since I left Sanur, actually Denpasar where I used to live, I didn't come to Sanur, so it's been like nearly 3 months. So enjoy, guys. I really understand that some of you really miss Sanur. And of course for me coming to Sanur is right now really long journey and far and uncomfortable and just inconvenient. So it's pretty understandable as I'm not coming too often. La Playa, famous place for the expats who living here and also local people. Always pretty busy out here. Here we go. I show you. But overall very enjoyable stroll around. At the morning the boats going to diving. You can rent the jet skis here perhaps if you're interested, and of course like a vibe where so many restaurants and everything is starting actually just outside the Hyatt Regency hotel. Their first restaurants, and probably I will just show you all of them one by one for a while. Also, if this video gonna hit somehow, what I cannot imagine because the interest of Sanur is not that big anymore, but somehow 10,000 views, I promise I will come here again very soon. Not even once a month, maybe more often, but let's see the situation. Another restaurant here, little bit less successful for some reason. However, they have a very nice sitting arrangement right now after this new patio, actually, like everywhere around. Coco Bistro, very nice place for the pizza here. Also the salmon steak is good. I used to hang out here also. They had a really cool very cool promos during the pandemic, so I used to hang out here pretty often. There is another place like this one. All of them, they are beach friendly sitting arrangement. The lady driving, she had so many fishes actually. And Omba, another cool place for the coffee and Radler perhaps. Also very cool arrangement. Surprisingly very quiet today, but the arrangement sitting is very cool. You face directly the patio with the boats and the ocean, which is cool. And another one, what actually I'm not that familiar, never had anything here, just don't really, not my vibe. However, I know some people, I met some viewers here sitting once, so you might try. And the same is with izakaya, also not my vibe, not my sitting arrangement, not my style. However, you can find some people might enjoy. Not sure what's going on with this land. Here was like a little shop what long time ago I was thinking to rent, but it's gone. Nobody knows what's going on. There is spa, and then there will be a legendary lila pantai, and some people enjoying their afternoon. Yo, what's up? How are you? Thank you so much. Okay, I keep going. See ya. Thanks. Some viewers in the lila pantai happy as I come back to Bali, which is cool. Also very nice, very legendary place for having afternoon glass of wine, perhaps dinner, lunch. Always busy, always good food. One of the oldest here. And then there will be the Newman one, which is also a nice arrangement, a little bit different because still you can sit on the beach directly without any patio or anything like this one, which is cool. However, is the one of the most expensive here with the lowest quality in my opinion. No disadvantage to the place, but that's how does it look like. And then there will be end of the restaurant strolls, and there will be just the Intercontinental Hotel in Sanur. So at the front of the Intercontinental Hotel there's very nice tropical vibe, like boats, sunbeds belongs to the place, and the ocean, and no buildings, anything like this one at the front of it, or anything like this one. Which is cool, some random doggos hanging out around, and also the restaurant what belongs to the Intercontinental. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool, however, yeah, that's it. I'm not gonna recommend, but you can try. I also met somebody there. That's the Intercontinental, and generally I'm not a fan of Intercontinental hotels anywhere around the world, not either here, but I'm gonna show you a little bit, 180 degree. That's the vibe. The location they have a nice, and that's for sure. And there is one restaurant also popular for the expats hanging out around here, especially during the lunch and dinner time. Usually there is the live music. I've been here twice, I think somebody invited me, so it's just alright. It's just alright, but they have a beach arrangement, and I know some people just like the arrangement like this one for the restaurant, which is more rare and rare in Bali even, so maybe that's why they're successful. So overall, if we are talking about Sanur, I'm of course making this video for my viewers and fans who really enjoy the Sanur, but just in case if somebody is not familiar with Sanur, and trust me, a lot of people totally have no idea what's going on in Sanur, it's of course family friendly, very resort holiday vibe, kids friendly, family friendly, older people friendly. That's why so many expats living in Sanur, especially the retired community. And anyway, a lot of business owners also deciding to staying here in Sanur, and overall is very quiet, different vibe when anywhere elsewhere, but either you like it or not. It's just personal. After that, the Sanur can be divided by the technically two parts, which is beachfront and the street front, but I'm dividing this by the four parts, which is south and north Sanur, which is actually west and east, to be exact, by technically speaking, which is the Sindu area, which is there, and the Mertasari, which is up there. So you can walk on the beach. It's around 4 kilometers long stretch of the promenade, recently new refurbished, and there is street also, what you can walk 4 kilometers. So it's practically pretty wide and pretty long stretch of the Sanur coast. Very recommended for everyone, just at least to try. But for the first timers, I would rather come here, not necessarily to the Sindu, because of many reasons. That's it for today. Hope so you enjoy. Big thumb up, watch, like, share, watch a few times. If you don't, I don't know, switch it on, whatever. You can always support me for free in that way, which is very, very, very important right now. Yeah, what am I gonna tell you? Thanks so much. See you tomorrow.